So for the first shot, I like to go with the reveal. You hide your drone behind the object and push up to reveal the scene. So you just hide in behind the object and you push straight up smoothly. So the second shot, it's similar to the first one, but you start really low and you push up on the left stick to reveal the whole scene. The next shot, I like to call it the slider. On the right stick, you just push it to whatever direction you're going to and slide to the left or right. The next move drifts away from the scenes and then rises up. To do that, on the right stick, press down so you could go zooming out. On the left stick, press up for you could rise up. So it's moving back while rising up at the same time. You gotta do it at the same time. This move is the same one as the one before, instead is the opposite. So on the right stick, you'll be pressing up to move forward, and on the left stick, you'll be pressing down to move lower. So you gotta do this at the same time. For this next drone move, you're gonna have to have the drone all the way up and your gimbal looking all the way down. Once you're there, you gotta press down on the left stick to go down, and on the gimbal, you have to move it to reveal the view slowly. This next move, I like to call it the bird eye view. You gotta have your drone really low to your subject and have the gimbal all the way down. Once you're there, you just lift the left stick up to reveal the view. So for our last move, it's a bird's eye view but with a twist. So once you're up there with your drone with your gimbal facing all the way down, all you got to do is twist to the left or towards the right really slowly.